Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken in an air fryer. We'll start by selecting your favorite chicken pieces, like boneless, skinless thighs or breasts. It's crucial to pat them very dry to achieve that perfect crispy skin. Then, a light coating of about 1 tablespoon of olive oil or cooking spray helps the seasoning stick. Finally, season your chicken generously with salt, pepper, and any other spices you love for maximum flavor. Now let's get cooking. First, preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Carefully place your seasoned chicken in a single layer in the basket, making sure not to overcrowd it. This allows for even cooking and crisping. Cook for approximately 10 to 12 minutes, remembering to flip the chicken halfway through. Always check the internal temperature with a meat thermometer. It should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. To achieve that irresistible crispy exterior, remember a few key tips. Never overcrowd your air fryer basket. Cooking in batches ensures proper air circulation. Also, try to use chicken pieces of similar size so they cook evenly. For an even crispier finish, you can lightly spray the chicken with a bit more oil halfway through the cooking process. Once done, let your chicken rest for about 5 minutes before serving. This helps keep it wonderfully juicy. Your perfectly air-fried chicken is now ready to enjoy. There are so many delicious ways to serve it. It pairs wonderfully with a crisp, fresh green salad for a light meal. You could also serve it alongside some roasted vegetables, like tender broccoli or asparagus, for a balanced plate. For a heartier option, enjoy it with a side of fluffy rice or nutritious quinoa. Don't forget to add a drizzle of your favorite sauce, perhaps a tangy barbecue or sweet honey mustard, to complete your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.